Alright, now that I'm making coffee, I'm gonna show you how I do the fucking, whatchamacallit, homemade tortillas. I usually get like 5 hand scoops, alright? 5 hand scoops, let's see. Like one more. One more. There we go. There we go. Then, add some fucking sea salt. Alright. There you go. Fucking sea salt. Like about a teaspoon, I don't know. That's how much I put right there. How much you see me put. And then for some reason, they come out badass soft. If I put, just like about that much of baking powder. Yeah, let me put a little bit more there. Come out soft as fuck. And then at this point, if you had cannabis butter, you can mix that into here. Or if you have regular butter, woo, you can mix that into here. Yep. Then once you get as much butter as you want in the motherfucker, you can put more if you want, but start to fucking, mix it in with your hands. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Wash your fucking hands. Do it. There you go. Just keep doing this shit till it's all mixed the fuck in. Then you'll mix in some fucking water. And then just keep mixing it up until you get a nice fucking dough ball. Just keep mixing it till it turns into a dough ball. If you see it, you feel like you fucking put too much water, just put a little bit more flour in it. But you see the texture of that motherfucker? Yeah, if I keep fucking with it, it'll turn into a nice fucking dough ball. Watch, you'll see. Yeah. See, now we got the dough ball after mixing it for a fucking while. Alright. Woo. Then we just let it rest for a little bit. We'll make our little fucking dough balls, yo. Hell yeah. Then you start to form your dough balls like you would clay with both your hands, Tear off a little piece and start fucking rolling it between both of your palms, and you wind up with a dough ball. There, and that made 14 little balls, so you'll have 14 tortillas. Let's see. Yeah. You just throw a tiny bit of flour on top of all the motherfuckers so they don't stick together so much. Alright, so now you're gonna get a fucking big ass pan. Fucking heat it up. Make sure it's clean. That's why I washed this motherfucker. And I put fucking foil and saran wrap on a fucking pizza pan that I use to make pizza with. That's why you see, goddamn fucking tomato shit. Oh god, I gotta sneeze. Fucking Cthulhu. Alright. Now, you see this bag? Okay. You want your tortillas to be fucking soft by the time you're done, right? You don't want them to be fucking hard as fuck. So, what you're gonna do is, after you're done fucking, you're gonna roll out your goddamn dough right here, right? Put one fucking thing of dough right there and roll it out. I ain't got a rolling pin right now. I can't find it, so I'm gonna use a fucking bottle. Okay? And so I'll show you real fast right now since I only have 2 hands. Hold on. We'll be back. See? Put your goddamn dough ball like that. I mean, you should sprinkle out a little bit of flour on here, but I'm just trying to show you guys real fast. And then, you're gonna get this motherfucker pressed down, and then with both hands, you're gonna fucking roll it out. But you do need some flour. I'm just showing you guys real fast, so that way it don't stick to nothing. All right. Now, when you get your shit rolled out like that. You want it to be round, right? So what you're gonna do is grab your tortilla and flip it the opposite fucking way like that, right? So now we flipped it over and we rolled it out. And see how it's already getting round, right? So you flip it the fuck over the opposite fucking way again. God damn. There you go. Flip it over the opposite way again. Do the same shit till it's fucking there. Let's see. We'll do it for you. Hold on. And then there you go. Throw it in the fucking pan while the pan is fucking hot and let it cook on one side and flip it over to fucking cook on the other side and stick it in this bag to keep it fucking good. Keep it soft. Watch. You'll see. We're letting it heat up right now. Yup. Ooh, it's bubbling up, bitches. Yeah. And the heat you want to keep to like a medium high heat. You don't want it too high. But you don't want it too low. There, and then when you see you see that the side is already cooked, you just pick it up, fucking flip it over, and you'll start seeing it start fucking looking like a goddamn tortilla. But yeah, these ones are gonna be buttery as fuck. I put a bunch of butter in them. I should have made some fucking cannabis butter. Then we'd have fucking green tortillas. Yeah. Green eggs and ham, bitches. Yeah, that's smelling good and buttery now. Now while one's cooking, we can start fucking rolling out another. So that way by the time this one's done, we fucking just slap the other one in there and so on and so forth. Hell yeah. See, check that out. Yeah, fucking tortilla bitches. Woo. Looking all buttery bitches. Yeah. There, and then once you're done, you're gonna boil up some fucking beans, or in my case, I'm fucking frying up some refried beans. I just threw some cheese in the motherfucker, gonna let it melt. And then look at this bitch over here. Look at that bitch over here. The reason why I keep it in this motherfucker, because it keeps the motherfucker soft. Look at this shit, watch. I'll pull one motherfucker out for you. Look at, you see that shit? Hold on. Watch. Let me get a nice sized one. One of these motherfuckers down in here. Look, you see that shit? Look at that. Soft as fuck. Woo! Yeah, bitches. Then, you're gonna get some fucking beans and throw some in this motherfucker and eat it. So that's how you do goddamn tortillas, motherfuckers. Look at that shit. Soft as fuck. Woo! Some beans. Throw that shit in here like a bitch. What? See? Throw some beans in the motherfucker with some el pato. Look at that shit. Fuck yeah, look at that shit. Fuck yeah. Well, now you know how to make fucking tortillas. Peace out. Check you later.